Birble AI is an exciting AI and crypto platform that has just recently launched. It's an AI hub where you have access to many useful AI services for content creators, innovators, artists, and entrepreneurs. It's a multi-chain platform that seeks to provide services and to serve as many blockchains as possible, from Ethereum to Binance to Cardano. And in this video, you'll be able to learn more about Birble AI. You'll have a complete demo of their platform to see how useful it can be in your daily life. Birble AI is an AI platform that leverages blockchain in the background, but that also seeks to leverage AI to facilitate the adoption of blockchain technology. Even though the biggest focus, especially right now in the launch, is in terms of content creation. As I've stated earlier, it's the perfect tool for content creators, artists, entrepreneurs, and innovators. But to be honest with you, there are tools and solutions that can be useful for everyone. And Birble AI is an AI dashboard where you'll find all kinds of specialized AI models, from image generators to music composition, video editing, video creation, text to voice generation, and all the things that content creators need to gain a competitive advantage and to easily and efficiently generate unique and appealing, entertaining content. Birble is also developing their business center with everything you need in terms of the documentation for your business, such as a white paper generator, proposal generator, business model, almost anything you can think of, even like a marketing plan for the future or some kind of logo creation if you need it. In addition to that, Birble is working in a Web3 center where, leveraging AI, you can mint personalized NFT collections and even create some smart contracts with, right now, simpler use cases, but in the future you'll actually have more complex ones, and this will hopefully simplify the onboarding process into blockchain and allow for more companies, more entrepreneurs, businesses, and artists to use blockchain to, just improve their businesses. And especially for small business and artists, there are a lot of possibilities, and some of them might not have gone through and have not started using blockchain because there's a very hard technological barrier, a technological mountain to climb before people actually have enough knowledge to apply this technology in their businesses in a safe way. So it's definitely exciting. They are building a complete AI ecosystem to make your life easier. And it's definitely a great chance for you and for me to participate right now while we are early, to join the Birble community, to have a saying in what should be prioritized in terms of development in the next AI models that they will launch, and also to contribute with feedback to improve the current AI models, even though I've tested them out and they are pretty great, I would say. In this video, that's what we're going to do as well. We're going to create a Birble AI account. As you can see here, we'll demo this account in their AI dashboard that has just recently launched. Even though Birble has some paid subscriptions, and for some of these AI models, you'll have to have tokens for the protocol. The reality is that everyone, by creating an account and sticking to the free plan, you'll have 250 free credits per month to use in the platform, which will allow you to a very decent and significant amount of usage of these AI tools. And if they are really useful, if you like what they do and how they simplify and make your life easier, then you can always upgrade your subscription for monthly usage and have even more credits to use this platform. So here you can see the Birble AI platform, the Birble AI website. I'll leave the link in the description. And to enter the platform, you just need to click here on Start Generating for Free. So it's really simple. You have here, you can sign in or you can sign up if you don't have an account yet. So if you don't have an account, please do your best to create your account for Birble. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna register with the account I have. So here you can see the dashboard. Okay, we are clearly here in the free plan. As you can see, we already used some tokens, as you can see as well, because this is not our first time. We have tested this out and even used it, to be honest with you. And here in the dashboard, you'll find the different services they have available, okay? But here on the left, you'll find the AI generator services. So you have stuff here like the Web3, create smart contracts and NFTs functionality. So here, coming back to the dashboard, we can see here the different AI models. We have Birble models for conversation, image generation, music generation, video generation, and text to voice. And we have partner models for the same stuff. This is because Birble works with partners in different areas that are developing AI and integrates these partners. So the great thing with Birble is that you're actually guaranteed to have a model that is going to work well for you. Well guys, to do this demo, I had to get a little bit more Birble tokens, and that's exactly what I did. And in case you want to get some Birble tokens, it's really simple. You just came here to the payment center and you come here to Birble Pay, and you can buy a monthly subscription. You have the Pro plan with this amount of credits per month, and the premium plan you can also pay annually and get discount of up to 10%, okay, which is very positive. And also if you pay using Birble AI tokens that are going to be launched very soon, and I'll tell you more info about it in the future, you can actually get 20% bonus. So that's really positive, I would say. And with these plans, with the Pro plans, besides accessing, as you can see there, the conversation, music generation, video generation, and image generation, as well as speech, you can also have the collection of NFTs and the Web3 Business Center, and Web3 Center and the Business Center, that's what I mean. So you can access some more premium features. But in case you're a company or something, you can negotiate a better plan for yourself. And of course, if you want to just buy a few tokens for what you need specifically, then you can select here the image collection, music collection, or video collection, or even a mixed media bundle, and you can buy just the credits you need for the specific generations you want to do, because maybe you don't have a recurring need to use these services. You can just have a temporary need, and that's the best option for you. Coming back here to the dashboard, you can see that right now we have this stuff that is not available for us. The Creativity Center, as I showed you, is available, but then you have here the staking dashboard as well. This is just an example. Staking is not live yet because the reality is that Birble, the Birble token hasn't launched, but after it launches, you'll have all the information about it. This is just showcasing what you can do with staking. Then you also have a Chainlink Raffle where you can use just one Birble token to actually win some prizes in a monthly raffle. But then we have here the Creativity Center that you can actually assess with things such as 3D generating model, generating avatar, motion, face swap. I think this is very interesting, and very interesting that they have these services and that you can already use them. That's pretty awesome, I would say. But in this video, we'll stick to the demo of the simplest services, and maybe if there is interest, we can go through some of the other services. Coming here to the dashboard, we can see here the models. Birble has their models and the models of partners. So it's sure you'll find a model that will satisfy you. The Birble models are really good. I've tried them both, and usually I prefer the Birble models to the partner models, but go ahead and try them yourself and see. And the best part is that if you're not satisfied with a specific model, you can move on to another model. And for example, we have here the conversational prompt. We can use Mixtral or Llama, and we can ask some question, whatever we want to know. Like, can you explain me the use cases of blockchain? And then you have here a bunch of information of use cases that you could use blockchain for, such as supply chain management, identity management, financial services, and so much more. So basically it works similarly to what is a Chat GPT. So might be an interesting use case or not for you. It depends on what you think. Then we have here images, okay? And images, I think this is a really cool use case because it allows you to generate images with a lot of quality. You have here a lot of different generators that you can use and that can be really useful. You have a prompt library if it helps you to do things you need. So as you can see, I've been trying it out and testing it out before, and I have here already a prompt for testing it out again. And here we have also the generator. We have a lot of generators we can use here. I'll choose AI Kandinsky. I haven't tested out this one, so maybe it's too risky, but you can choose everyone. Or maybe I'll choose Birble Shefa to have a Birble AI algorithm. Here we can see the output dimensions. Also, we can select the number of images, different images they want to create or they should create. Of course, each image will mean that we are using credits. So the more images you have, the more expensive it will become. And you have here the number of inference and guidance scale. Not sure what this is about, to be honest. So I'll just keep this like this and I'll generate it. As you can see, I'm not a prompt master. It's a very simple prompt, not really great. And as well, this takes a while because it's generating the image, so don't worry and just be patient. Here they are, my images, which look pretty cool, I would say, but of course there are much stuff you should know. You can define the generation privacy, whether private or public. You can check out here the prompt library and this define what you want to have, what kind of image better suits your taste, and also see here some prompts so that you have a notion of what are the best prompts for you to have a good end result. Besides this, we have also here the music generator, okay, and we have here two generators to pick. We can pick if it's private or public. We can put a prompt of what kind of music we want, and we also have here some more advanced options for users, so that could be cool. So I have here a prompt and a name. This time I've chosen private. In terms of generators, I'll use this first one, and we are going to test it out to see what comes out of this one. And then we have here a solution, a result. Let's turn on the audio and let's check it out. Pretty cool, I would say, pretty cool. Very upbeat music for sure. So very interesting. We have here video as well. If you want to test it out, you can just create some kind of video you want. We have here an example of an astronaut riding a horse. We can have some negative prompts. We can have here the prompt library as well to give us some advice on how to create something cool. And we can also upload a video here. We also have here examples of what are good negative prompts. And you have advanced options for the dimensions of the video and much more for the FPS, for the number of frames, whatever you want, you can define it. Here is just an example, so we don't really care. I'll use the first one and I'll just try to generate. Of course, again, this can take a while. And it was fairly quick, I would have to say, to create this video. And we have here US astronaut riding a horse, even though the horse is on the other way around. So definitely a funny video, maybe not the best, I would say, but definitely a funny video. And you can download it, you can add it to your collection, you can share the video. So you can do a lot of cool things here, and maybe here with some negative prompts, you can fix this up and make a better image. But in our case, we were just illustrating the functionalities. So here we have test to voice, and here you can find again the generator if you want privacy or public. And you can put a reference audio style for your video if you want. That's super useful to make a better generator. And then you can have here some advanced options as well for your audio. And then you can actually input the text you want. Of course, for example, if you take a look here at what it was, if you look at the advanced options, they are different. You can choose the voices and you can do other stuff. So that's also important to note in all these models, is that depending on what you're choosing, you're actually getting different stuff, different functionalities. So that's super useful and super complete. Of course, it does mean you need to spend a little bit more time learning about Birble AI, but still super cool, I would say. And then we have here our prompt related to Birble AI and everything, and we're going to click to generate. This can take a while once again. And here is the text-to-speech result. Let's hear it.
Did you know Birble AI is having their seed sale on the 3rd of July on Gempad?
Okay, this is just one example, of course. You can change it up, you can use tutorials, you can pick voices that better suit your needs. Here we just choose a random AI voice. And then with Birble AI, you can also choose to take a look here at their partner models. Those AI models are also pretty awesome, and you can check them out. They might be better for certain prompts than these ones, and might be worse in other cases. So it's definitely good for you to check them out, see what works best for you. Basically, as you can see here, Birble AI Dashboard is a pretty awesome platform with some great functionalities, and you should definitely consider testing it out by yourself. It can be extremely useful for your endeavors and to create content on the go. Please bear in mind, however, this is just the first version of what they are trying to launch, so there are a lot of improvements that are going to be done. The models will become much more faster and efficient, and there will be new models coming out, new stuff coming out, and the usefulness of the platform and the project will only increase. And the great part is, of course, by participating right now, you're in a position to guide that development and make sure that your needs are prioritized. And very soon I'm going to create a video analysis about Birble AI, especially because they are having a token launch very soon on the 3rd of July, as I told you, on the Gempad launchpad. So definitely it's important to dive deeper right now into the project, the team, and how they intend to use blockchain in the background and understand exactly what is the potential of this project. Because, you know, at the end of the day, Birble AI is, even though it is a blockchain project, it is mostly blockchain agnostic. The focus is on AI, not the blockchain. It's just used on the background. So they are multi-chain. They intend to serve as many blockchains as possible, migrate their tokens to as many blockchains as possible, covering some of the major blockchains with their services and tokens such as Ethereum, Cardano, or Binance Smart Chain. And if you'd like to learn more about Birble AI, of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you get warned when this next video comes out. And meanwhile, if you'd like to learn more about some awesome projects building on Cardano, you can consider watching this video here of Indigo Protocol, where we actually explain you everything you need to know about Indigo and assess the potential growth of this project.